Yo, what is good everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a day that I've been waiting for a very long time. Me and my wife Sophie have officially purchased our first home and we are outside of it right now. Now I'm gonna go inside, give you guys an empty house tour. My wife is inside right now. This has been culminating for a little bit. That's why I've been posting as much. We've been dealing with all this, going through the whole process. We just finished closing yesterday, so we're officially homeowners now, which is insane. I'm so happy to be able to say that at 25 years old. So let's go ahead, let's go inside and say hi to my wife. Hey.
Hey.
This is my wife Sophie right here. You can't even barely see her. All right, we're gonna come inside. All right guys, so we are inside the house right now. Wow, there's an echo here. My wife Sophie is here with me. She's gonna give you guys a little bit of a tour. I'm gonna show you guys a tour of my parts of the house where they're gonna be my filming studio, my editing studio, stuff like that. And we're gonna kind of go over that together. So I'm gonna put the camera on her. If you guys haven't seen her before, let's get her to 10K on Instagram. She's been trying to get there forever. Shout out from the beginning. There's some stuff that's changing over the next week before we officially move in. So we're gonna get into that and the furniture. But first, when you first walk in, as you guys saw, you have a nice entryway with some walk-up stairs, and these stairs lead to the main entryway. All right, babe, go for it.
Hi,
go for the
guys.
tour.
Okay, so we just went up the stairs here, and this is gonna be our main living area. We actually really lucked out with our light fixtures because the people that lived here before us, the wife was an interior designer, so a lot of the stuff we purchased from them and we were able to keep, which is great. So the couch is gonna go right over here. Some sort of TV situation here. Rug will go under here, and we'll have the dining room table and our chairs. You can spin it around and show them this wall. We don't love it. We want the whole house to be one cohesive color, so we're gonna have painters come on Monday and just paint this color all around here, and you'll see this color sort of painted throughout.
This color is gonna go here. So basically this is the living area. We ordered all new furniture from Restoration Hardware. So we are officially getting the YouTuber couch, I guess you could say. We are getting the cloud couch, and I'm so excited because that thing, it might seem like a scam because it's an expensive couch, but it is so soft and comfortable, so I'm very excited about that. But all the furniture's coming. We got dining room tables, all new chairs and stuff like that. We sold most of our old furniture, and so now this is gonna be the living room area. This is a rug that we kept from them. It was a wool rug, and then we have the full kitchen, which I'm gonna let Sophie show you guys really quick.
Okay, you guys have no idea how excited I am about this kitchen. This is like my dream kitchen. Like, we don't have to change anything about it. It's literally perfect, and this is one of the main things that really like sold us on this house. So we'll have our little coffee nook here.
Nice fridge, by the way. This fridge is really nice. You wanna show them?
Welcome to our fridge.
It's empty now, obviously, but it's a nice fridge. It's got a bunch of nice drawers and stuff. When you start becoming adults, stuff like that you start to appreciate things like appliances. This has nice appliances and nice fixtures and stuff like that. Like Sophie was saying, the previous owner, the wife was an interior designer, so like they did this place very well. For example, we kept these linens right here. They included and threw them in. These are from Restoration Hardware. They're 11 grand for the shades throughout the house. That's insane, just for some shades. So they threw it in for free, which is kind of nice.
Zoom in on our beautiful marble here and the backsplash. All important things, guys. There's so much cabinet space. You guys know we were in an apartment before, and we moved 3 times in that apartment complex because everything is just so small, and we kept moving from like a 2-bedroom to a 1-bedroom. So having like all this cabinet space is gonna be crazy and so helpful. The kitchen was a big seller for us. They have some really good, nice fixtures here. And again, the kitchen space is gonna be so nice to have actual good amount of space to carry stuff. Like, we've had to get rid of so many things and give them to friends or donate them just because we have no space in our apartment. And luckily now we have all the space. So like I said, dining room here, living room there. This is just a coat closet here, and then if we make our way this way, we'll walk this way. Sophie's going. I'll explain this room really quick. Okay, so off the kitchen here, as you can see, there's the kitchen. There's this little room right here, which is going to be like a little cocktail room. That's I think what we're gonna do. It's like a little sitting area here that's got these nice big windows. It's got these 2 areas here, which we're gonna put some tall shelves that's gonna have like alcohol, drinks and stuff on it. And then on this side over here, you can't really see, we have 1 of 3 patios. So this is a great patio here that came with the stuff that's on it already. We bought that from the previous owners. We have a gas grill on there. We have a picnic table and a bench. It looks really cool. Guys, everything about this place just panned out so perfectly. Yeah, so
there's string lights up there. They left those there. We have this, and it kind of overlooks, there's like a little bit of like a lake or a creek down there. It's probably a creek. And then we have all this greenery here, which gives us some nice privacy, because that's what we wanted, is privacy. We're sitting up here hidden away, and it's quiet over here. There's nice greenery. It's perfect.
Yeah, a little different from our city view, but I'm really excited because we're super secluded back here, but we're still in the city.
That is the main floor right there. And so now I'm gonna take you down to my area, basically my floor, and then I'm gonna go back up with Sophie and show you guys the other floor, the master level floor and all that. So when you come in, you obviously have the front door there, which is a cool little front door. You have this walkway up, section up to there, and then you go down this way. You can see that there's a stairwell downstairs. So this is where my main filming area is gonna be. So when you come down here, you have like this open area, if you can see it. It's a nice little walkway, and then you have one room here, you have a bathroom, and then you have the garage right there. So this particular area, we're probably gonna make it to a sitting area. I was thinking about putting a TV on this wall, so I'll show you this area out here. It makes sense, but we might put the TV out there. Might make more sense. But we come into this room over here. This is going to be my filming room. So I know right now this is pretty plain, but one thing that is going to be so amazing is natural light plus recessed lighting. It's going to be so amazing. Inside this room, the echo's pretty bad. I'm gonna have like an off-white rug. I'm gonna put some shelving up. I'm gonna put all kinds of stuff. We have a closet back here. This is going to house all my camera equipment and stuff like that. If you can see, there's some nice shelving. Then this connects to the bathroom, which is here. This is just a guest bathroom off of the main lower floor, just if, I guess, if I need to use it on filming or anything like that. So off of there, you come over here. Hear this? There's a nice security system we'll talk about too. So this main walkway that I said that's off the filming office right there, there is an outdoor patio, which is amazing. So check this out. When you come out here, we have this full concrete patio here that we're gonna put all the patio furniture that we have. This basically can house like a grill. I'm thinking about putting a TV right there, and I think we're gonna fence this in so it can make it super private, because if you look, some of our neighbors over there have fences, but we basically have this whole greenery here. This is ours. And then we're on the end. We have an end unit, so we have all this grass and all this privateness right here. Guys, it's so perfect. So this is gonna be a nice, entertaining outdoor area. It's also wired for security systems, so we can put in our own cameras right there for security out here. But that is basically the bottom floor, where I'm gonna be kind of designing most of this. Like the other wall, this is gonna be painted to match everything else, these dark colors, and then everything else is gonna stay the same in my office, but I'm gonna slowly start moving that stuff over. I actually forgot to show you, the garage is actually right here too, which I finally have a garage to put my R8 and my truck. I'm so excited. But here's the garage. Right now, we just have a few things in here that we're moving. Obviously, I've got all my set and stuff, but these got these nice cutouts for storage here. The trash cans go in there. They got the water heaters, stuff you guys don't really care about. But there's a lot of space in here for my car to keep it safe and protected, which is a plus. Finally, my own garage. You guys know, I've needed that for so long. So making our way back upstairs, you go up the stairs again. We're here. We're back at the main level, and there's Sophie. So now we're back in the main level. We're gonna go upstairs, and we're gonna show you guys where the other master bedroom is and the 2 guest bedrooms. So there's 4 bedrooms total. So Sophie's gonna take us up there now. So as you can see, you go up here.
Right here.
Yep, powder room. Check that out. So it's right off the kitchen. Here is the hallway leading up.
Another exciting thing about going from an apartment to a house is that we'll actually have a guest room. So like if we have friends over, they can stay, or like my sister can stay.
So you walk up, we have 2 rooms here. This is going to be the guest bedroom where anybody stays if they need to come stay over. So if you guys need to come stay over, you can stay here. I'm just kidding. And then this room here is going to be my editing office. So as you can see right here, nice big room. This is basically gonna house my 2 desks where I play Xbox, where I edit all my videos. I have another TV in here, so this is gonna be a great area for me to work, so I can separate it from my filming, have some more space.
And this is the bathroom that like both of these rooms would use.
It's a shared bathroom. Coming this way, washer dryer goes here. We have a closet, and then this is the master bedroom. So we are now in the master, which is kind of a little bit of a weird setup where it's kind of like long ways. You can see there's like where the back of the bed is gonna go, and then the dresser and TV goes there. Off of the master, we have another patio. You can see we have some chairs on there already, nice lounge chairs. and then you can come out and see all of the greenery. So this is a nice, we're gonna be able to come out here, just sit out in the morning, maybe sometimes have our coffee, and we're just chilling up here. It's great. Look at all the greenery. And I think this could even make for some good filming space. Like if I need to film a video outside, boom, I got a set right here. If I want that in the background, boom. Another good thing about the master is there's 2 closets. So you have one closet here, you have another closet here, which that's gonna be mine, and this is gonna be Sophie's, and then that is the bathroom. So if we walk into the bathroom, you can see we have dual vanity here, and we have a stand-up shower, looks great. And there's a window in here as well, which is nice natural light. And we have a powder closet. So this looks great. There's a lot of space for both of us. We might change some stuff in here, but we're definitely painting the walls to match everything. Now we're gonna show you guys Sophie's closet, because she got the W on this.
I'm really excited. Guys, look, they did all like custom shelving and everything in here. And like I have never, like my whole life, I've never used a dresser. So this is perfect. We're not gonna have a dresser in the master. And honestly, Harry will probably keep some of his stuff in here too, because it's so big and I don't have this much clothing.
See, it goes all the way back there. She's got all these hanging stuff here. Full body mirror right here. And then just this nice, you could like pull these out.
Yeah, look how cool that is.
It's like sick. So that's nice. I mean, you go over to mine and mine's kind of lackluster. I kind of took the L. So you come in here, I got the wire racks. I don't have any cool shelving. I mean, I think I want to do some custom stuff in here because I don't like these. I'm not a fan of this whole setup. Hers just looks so much better than mine, so I'm gonna maybe figure out where they got that, but that's the master there. And that's, I mean, I guess the majority of the rooms. Let's go back downstairs. So we're in the main living space here again. You guys know we've been renting for a couple years now, like we've never owned a place. And so this is our first time actually purchasing a house. And luckily it wasn't too difficult with me being a YouTuber and how my income works. It's a little bit weird how my income is generated to show that to lenders and all that, but I'm so excited that we finally are purchasing a place that we own. It's great. So we're waiting on the furniture. It's gonna get here next Friday. The painters will be done next Friday, and then we're gonna be moving in. So we got a lot of stuff we gotta get done. We've been slowly moving stuff over the week, but we've got a week left, and this is our empty house. It's pretty cool so far. Buying a house is not easy. Finding a place that works for you, even if you have a significant other working for both of those, is even harder because you will both have stuff that you want and you have to kind of work together. This ended up being perfect. It's modern looking like I like. It's not too expensive. We didn't spend too much money to where we're gonna regret it in a couple years possibly. We wanted to get something that we could live in for years to come, but then in the future, if we wanna get something bigger, we can do that. We can live in a townhouse for now because it's just us two and our cat. So I don't think it's gonna be too much of a space for us. Perfect amount. It's like almost 2,700 square feet, 2,800 square feet. All right guys, I wanted to cut back here to our apartment so I could show you this briefly before we move out because we haven't shown it too much. I've done some videos in here, but we're in the living room here. This living room basically spans all the way to the kitchen over there. As you can see, there is a master bedroom right there. We have a closet here. My office is here, and then we have a bathroom here. Now this place is 1,400 square feet, which is large for an apartment, but it was not enough space. But the one thing about it is the view. Let me show you guys this view. Once we fully get out of here, I'll tell you guys where this is because I'm not gonna be moving back here, obviously. Just if any of you guys in the future wanna live where I live in Atlanta. It's a cool spot. You're around a lot of good stuff here, but we are actually still in the city. It is not too far from here, but it's just on the other side of the city. But it was very hard to find a house in the relative city that wasn't super expensive because all the houses around here are crazy expensive. We also have 2 balconies here. There's one right here off the kitchen, and it also obviously has that nice view out. But I just wanted to cut back and show you guys what we're moving to from where we're from. My hair keeps messing up. Where we live now, so you can see kind of what's happening. I've liked this apartment, condo, high-rise life. I've lived in this building for it's been 3 years total, but I lived 1 year at a different apartment. And it's done really well for me because it's got 24-hour concierge, 24-hour security. There's no complaints about it, but I'm ready to own my own place, have nobody that can kick me out, and own a place, have equity in a place. So let's go ahead, we'll cut back, finish up at the new place. That is gonna be it for now. I might show you guys the progress of bringing stuff over and when we get it furnished and all that, but I think Sophie and I are both pretty excited. Are you excited, Sophie? Thank you guys for making this possible by supporting, watching me, supporting my website, all that stuff. Thank you guys for making this possible. If you enjoyed, sorry I've been a little bit lackluster on the uploads. There's a lot of stuff going on, but we'll be catching up back again soon. Thank you guys for coming along for the journey with all this stuff, the more personal life with the house and all that, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison, signing out.